I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled green chili. First, gather about 1 pound of fresh, firm green chilies. Make sure they are thoroughly washed and completely dry before you begin. You can slice them into quarter-inch rounds, or, if you prefer, cut them lengthwise. This preparation step is crucial for ensuring your pickled chilies have the best texture and flavor. Next, let's create the flavorful brine. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of vinegar, 1 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of salt. For a touch of sweetness and balance, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, along with any pickling spices you enjoy. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat and let it gently simmer for about 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Now it's time to pack your jars. Carefully and tightly pack the prepared green chilies into clean, sterilized jars. Once the chilies are in place, pour the hot brine over them, making sure every piece is fully submerged. It's important to leave about 1/2 inch of headspace from the top of the jar. This ensures proper sealing and preservation of your delicious pickled chilies. Finally, seal your jars tightly with their lids and let them cool completely to room temperature on your counter. Once cooled, transfer them to the refrigerator. For the best flavor, allow them to chill for at least 24 hours before you open them. These homemade pickled green chilies will be a fantastic addition to many meals and can be enjoyed for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.